These young people that after 1994, they just all go to this modern C school. They intimidate those of us from those other schools that our people prefer. But I'll guarantee you that my kids will go that route also. Now, it's time to get the notepads ready. I think we're going to shift a little bit from our program of the day because of some unforeseen and unincited circumstances. The next speaker that is going to speak is the one that I'm going to call upon. By the powers vested in me, let me introduce the speaker. Miss Latembisa Ndavini Abrams, currently serving as the Deputy Minister of Communications. She was once the whip in the Parliament Portfolio Committee of Communications, and then she was a whip in the Portfolio of Defense, and again she was a whip in the Joint Steering Committee of Intelligence. However, because we know that for her to continue to do wonders and the good stories, she must belong to certain good stories organization. Now, it happened by the grace of Walter Sisulu that she's a member of the ANC Eastern Cape Provincial Executive Committee. No factions there. She's also the member of the ANC Eastern Cape Provincial Wicket Committee, which is the PWC. Those who are doing accounting, that is not price water. And she's also a member of the King Jongutanga branch. Previously, because we understand that they said, one, so she was a member of the ANC Youth League National Executive Committee. Again! She was the member of the ANC Youth League National Working Committee. It's NWC, it's not Northwest Council. Again, she was the member of the Jomusha branch Executive Council, which is, most of you are familiar, you know, there's a BECs of South Korea and others. Now, it doesn't end there, because she also believes that she's a member of the community before she's a member of parliament. So she's in the HIV and AIDS women and youth empowerment programs. Just to give a piece of background, Mr. Latembisa Ndavini Abrams cuts her political teeth from the ANC former Transkei structure, where her political acumen was refined during the dark days of apartheid. Owing to the political situation of the time, she caught the revolutionary bug during her school days, whilst focusing on her energies of oversight over the work done by the executive of the government. She was also a member of the ANC Parliamentary Caucus Subcommittee of Political Education. Ms. Ndavini Abrams is no stranger to leadership, as she earned her stripes from leadership position in the African National Congress Youth League structure, serving from a branch zone, provincial and national executive committees. I'm sure she was also a class rep. Now, this is what we say when we say leaders are born. They are not made. The only thing that you can make is leadership skills. The rest you are born with it. So it doesn't end there. Our people also went to school. She holds a master's in business management administration, MBA, from Regent Business School. And then she's got a certificate in telecommunication policy and regulation management from Vets University. Commonwealth Telecommunication Organization Diploma in Telecommunication and Management System. Advanced certificate in project management in Rhodes University. Project Management Diploma, Cranfield College. And previously, she was also hired as a project manager in Eastern Cape Social Economic Consultative Council, ECSECC. And she was born. That is the traumatizing part about it. Most people won't believe it. She's from Sakela village. Those that know Sakela village, it's in Umtata, the likes of Tolo, Lusikisiki, Kulu, and others. Let's give a hand for Mrs.